Hey, what's up, Hacksplainers? This is the motivational advice you were not asking for, but the one I still want to give to you. And it's a good one. It's a really good one. So many people are reaching out to me and they're like, hey, how do I start in Bug Bounty? And they always are looking for this big cross-site scripting payload that nobody knows, that secret sauce, that special something that nobody knows, like something new, like a zero day or whatever. I mean, don't go for that if you start out. Just get down to the basics. You can learn so much stuff on the internet. You can use my hacking channel. You can use all the other ones that are out there. But way more important to me is something else, is having a goal. And to be honest, having a goal is super important. And I want to talk a little bit about that today. So look, if you have a goal, it will be easier for you to find the amount of bugs that you need to fulfill the goal. And it doesn't matter if the goal for you is a mobile phone or a PlayStation or a tablet, or it might be a notebook or a bicycle or a moped or a car or a boat or a house or even a freaking private island. It doesn't really matter. The only thing you really need is something to save up for. And look, I do have a little piggy bank over here. I don't know if you have one of those. This is a classic traditional one that makes a lot of noise if you shake it. But make sure to have a virtual piggy bank. Make sure to store your money, your Bug Bounty rewards somewhere safe. Store them and save up for this big dream of yours. And only buy that car, moped, camera, whatever it be, only buy that with your Bug Bounty money. And this is why it helps you to become a better hacker faster. Because the one thing you really want to have is, for example, that PlayStation, but you need, I don't know, like $500 for it. You don't have the money, you only want to pay for it with your Bug Bounty money. So you really want to play that game. And this is why you have to start hacking. Hack more, hack faster, earn more money, have that PlayStation in your pocket faster. It's easy as that. If you're saving up for a car, well, I mean, it might just take a year longer than saving up for the PlayStation. But in the end, it all comes down to the very same thing. Have something in your mind, something that you really want to have, save up for it, and you will see, sooner or later, this will be yours. And with that, I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe in the top right corner, over here, leave a like, and maybe check out my Patreon. All right. That's it. See you guys soon.